Hi, I'm Christina. A warm welcome to this glamorous world of fashion designing in IIFA. Fashion is part of the daily air, and it changes all the time, with all the events. Quote by Diana Vreeland. This is a dynamic and creative field that combines art, design, and business to create innovative and stylish clothing and accessories. To excel in this industry, students must undergo formal training in IIFA to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to design and develop fashionable products that meet industry standards. IIFA presents fashion designing in 4 different courses, like Bachelor of Designing, Diploma, UG and Fashion Designing Diploma courses in IIFA combines a fundamental understanding of the principles and practices of fashion design. These courses focus on practical skills, such as sketching, pattern making, draping and sewing. In our IIFA Institute, students can expect to study a range of subjects, including fashion illustration, textile design, fashion merchandising, and fashion marketing. Diploma courses are shorter in duration and can be completed in 1 to 2 years. IIFA offers undergraduate BS courses in fashion design, where students are enhanced with the skills and knowledge required to design and develop high-quality fashion products that meet fashion designing industry standards. In these courses, IIFA provides expertise faculty who inculcate better understanding of fashion design processes, including research, sketching, pattern making, and garment construction. Students can expect to study a range of subjects, including fashion history, color theory, textile science, and fashion business. BSc degree in fashion designing is for 3 years. Postgraduate courses in fashion designing of IIFA are designed to provide our students with advanced skills and knowledge in the field of fashion design. These courses allow students to specialize in a particular area of the field, such as fashion marketing, fashion styling, or fashion technology. Students can expect to undertake advanced projects, develop their design portfolio, and learn about emerging trends and technologies in the industry. Our students are powered with sophisticated faculty to train them. A master's degree in fashion designing typically takes 2 years to complete. Fashion designing courses provide individuals with the skills, knowledge, and creativity required to design and develop stylish and innovative fashion products. By enrolling in these courses, students can build a rewarding, glamorous career in the fashion industry and bring their creative ideas to life. In conclusion, I would quote famous words of Bill Cunningham: "Fashion is the armor to survive the reality of everyday life." I would be happy to see you in our IIFA campus, creating the fashions of the tomorrow world. Thank you.